Hello guys, how are you doing? This is English for Ethiopian. Today we're gonna see some idiomatic expressions that level up your English. You're gonna see around 5 idiomatic expressions. The first one is he's a sack. He's a sack means go to bed. መተኛት ለመተኛ ወደ አልጋ መሄድ ማለት ነው። You got tired. He's a sack. ደክሟል ተኛ እያልን ነው ማለት ነው። Second one is it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science means it is easy or it's simple. It is not rocket science. We can achieve it. ቀላል ነው ልናሳካው እንችላለን ማለት ነው ማለት ነው። The third one is hanging there. Hanging there means never give up. የኤቢዲ ዘፈን ላይ ታውቁታላችሁ። guys never give up. ተስፋ አትቁረጥ ማለት ነው። Hanging never give up እንደማለት ነው። Hanging there. Tomorrow will be another day. The fourth one is miss the boat. Miss the boat means miss an opportunity. Don't miss the boat, otherwise you pay for it. አጋጣሚዎችን ወይም እድሎችን አታባክን ያለበለዛ ዋጋ ትከፍልበታለህ ያለን ነው ማለት ነው። The fifth and the last one is on the ball. On the ball means alert or quick respond. She is really on the ball and finish her assignment. ዛሬ ያዝናቸውን ይመስላሉ። እንደገና ደግሞ ዩቲዩብ ላይ የተለያዩ ቪዲዮዎች ሰርቼላችኋለሁ። ገብታችሁ ዩቲዩብ ባዮ ላይ አስቀምጫለሁ። ዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን እንድትከታተሉ እላለሁ። ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ አበረታቱን። ታንኪዩ